Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete video on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Begin by opening Pinterest app. Select the save icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap and hold on the video that you want to delete. Then select pencil icon. Select the delete icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on delete option. And this is how you can delete video on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.